not stopping. Still in this. This is Casey again. Video number 5 in our box break retail review, and we're chugging along. Here we go. Out here. Cole Strange. Who is he? Cole Strange. Alright, cool. Okay. Zion Johnson. Chargers. Pack. Here we go again. This is box breaking retail review. We had Contenders, we had Chronicles, we had Donruss, and now we're on Select. Malik Willis. Alright. Nice quarterback. And Eric Runza. Wait, Azukama. Sorry. And Saquon Barkley and DJ Moore. Right, last pack for the Select. See what we found here. Alright. Looks like Christian Watson, rookie. Trey McBride, rookie. And there's a nice puzzle piece for Trestan Ebner. Oh, that's Trestan Ebner. Cool. Okay, first box of Select. Let's go for a second box of Select. So we got second box of Select. We're gonna open these one by one. They're just good like that. Just do all at once. Right. Here we go. Hey, if you like this, make a comment. That'd be awesome. Kurt Warner, Joe Burrow, Christian Kirk, and Cortland Sutton. No rookies at all. Right. Alright, let's see what we got here. Shad White, Adam Thielen, Trey McBride, Moss looking card. Alright. Thielen got traded. I forget what team he got traded to. I'm pretty sure he got traded. And what do we got here? Matt Judon. Oh. Hey there, green card. Number 2/299. So defense, Nick Bonito. Pretty card. Kenny Pickett. Number 8. That's an awesome card. Matt Judon. Oh, that's Kenny Pickett's good card though. Alright, Select. Come on, Select. 3 more packs left in Select. So we got, and we got Deshaun Watson, Nick Bonito again, Bonito. Oh, there's a Tua puzzle piece. Not bad looking card. Tua Tagovailoa. Okay. 2 left. What do we got? Saquon, Traylon Burks, Brian Robinson, and Minka Fitzpatrick. Minka. I don't know. Fitzpatrick. I didn't like Fitzmagic. Whatever happened to Fitzmagic? I'm pretty sure retired. Skylar Thompson, rookie. Romeo Dobbs.